Hello everyone, and welcome back to Money Mentor. Google Maps is an application created by Google that can be used to discover locations, places, and trails. You can use it to map out places and find information on local businesses, and it can also be used to generate income. Did you know that you can earn up to $100 a day by using Google Translate? Well, we're going to show you how to do that today. Make sure that you watch because today we're going to speak on ways where you can earn $100 per day using Google Maps. Make sure you stay until the end as you don't want to miss what this simple step is that's going to get you earning in no time. Number 9. Make a PayPal account. PayPal is a digital wallet where you can save and store your money. Just like you need a wallet for your physical cash, you're also going to need a PayPal account to keep your digital cash. PayPal is a globally renowned digital wallet system that is safe and secure. It is used by countless users and trusted by many websites. It is simple and easy to use, and anyone can have a PayPal account. To open a PayPal account, you visit their website and click on the Sign Up button on the top page, and then select Create a Personal Account. Then, key in your email address and password, and there you have it, you've got an account. With PayPal, you can send and receive money anywhere, anytime. Additionally, you can also withdraw your bank account funds if you want your money in cash. Sign up for PayPal now, it's easy and very fast. This method also requires PayPal for you to earn money. Number 8. Go to Google Maps. Google Maps is an online Google-based program that allows you to find places. It is a great tool used by many people globally to view different places in many different forms, including satellite and flat 2D. The maps are accurate and you can view just about every country on it. Google Maps are very easy to use. Go to Google and search Google Maps. When you're on Google Maps, search for your current location. It will be the most profitable area on the map. It is advisable to install Google Chrome in order to use Google Maps because you will have to install Google Chrome extensions using Google Chrome, and these tools can be added to your browser for different uses. You'll be downloading an extension for free that will allow you to monitor traffic through websites through Facebook ads. Hence, you'll be earning money. Number 7. Download Google Chrome extension. It is very vital to download Google Chrome extension and install it onto your computer. This browser is free and reputable. After downloading the browser, you will visit the Google Chrome web store and find a tab on the left side for extensions. Click on it, and once you're on that page, search for Facebook Pixel Helper on the search bar, and you will see that this extension will be the top result. This method may have the word Facebook in it, but you will not actually need to have Facebook. You will click Install and the extension will be installed to your browser. Number 6. Go back to Google Maps. When you have successfully installed the Chrome extension, go back to your Google Maps and make sure to set your location to your local city. It increases your chances of earning more money. On your Google Maps, search for a specific local business. The categories of businesses that you're going to want to be looking for are plumbers, chiropractors, auto repair shops, dentists, and accountants or CPAs. After searching for these businesses, pick one of them, for example dentists, and now go to your location and search for a dentist and then type in your city name. Now looking at the map, you will see many red dots. These are businesses within your locality. Choose one among them. Once you click on one of them, there will be a tab with the business's information on the left. Most of these businesses will have a website. If you have the Facebook Pixel Helper extension already downloaded, you'll be ready for the next step. Number 5. Go to the business website. After you find your local business, look at the Business Information tab on the left side of the page, and you'll see that there is a link to their website. Click on that link and you'll be directed to their website. Check out the website if there's any heavy traffic coming in from Facebook via Facebook ads. You can figure this out by using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. When you are on the website, click on the extension to see if there are any pixels on the website. If there are none, it means that no traffic is coming in from the website via Facebook Pixel ads. If there are no pixels found, it means someone is already managing that business, advertising that business. Therefore, you should pass on it. Number 4. Approach the business. After you were checked from Google Maps and found a business with no pixels on their pages, click on them and make a list of all the local businesses with no Facebook pixels on the pages. Once you have made your list, you can approach the businesses and let them know you are willing to help them to advertise. Using this technique, you will have full control by setting your price and boosting the traffic to their website. They won't be able to refuse this offer. It will help them to build their business, all while you get huge profits. Number 3. Go to Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers offer their services globally. On this site, you will find people worldwide selling their own services, from logo design to website development. Many of their services at Fiverr are offered at low prices that you should be able to afford. For this technique, you will have to set up ads for the website that you found. Since not everyone knows how to set up ads, Fiverr is a great tool to use. For a small fee, you can hire someone to manage these ads. Say you pay someone $25 to set up these ads for you. You can charge the website $200 a month for the ads and still make $175 in profit. If you are just getting started, you can charge lower, say only $125 a month. That still means $100 of profit. Number 2. Reach out to the local businesses. Afterward, you will have to contact these businesses. You will need to go to their website and look for their contact information. You can take their phone numbers on the website and call them, but if you don't feel comfortable with calling, you can also write to them in an email using their email address on their website. Once you contact them, please introduce yourself and tell them you are a local willing to advertise for them for a fee. It is important to state that you are local, since most businesses love working with local people. Another way of contacting the business is by messaging them directly on their Facebook. They will see that you're a real person and it will be very trustworthy in this way. Don't just stop at one business. You will want to head back to Google Maps and find all the local businesses within your category that you chose. You can even expand and choose multiple categories. Dentist, auto repair, plumber, accountant or CPA and chiropractor are the most profitable businesses to use. They are willing to pay a fee each month to have someone advertise their company and generate more traffic through Facebook ads. You could be that person. Number 1. Collect your earnings. When it's time for you to collect your payments, you will have to discuss the payment method that best suits you. You can choose to be paid monthly, so you will have to let the companies know about that. You can also discuss the payment methods with the business. The easiest method is PayPal. You will inform the business about this and provide them with your PayPal email account. Moreover, if you want cash or check payments, you will discuss the same with the business. Find out what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!